So I'm working on my mood board right now, and here you can see are my pink walls, the shelves that I'm gonna do over my toilet. This is actually the shower curtain that I got from Target, and then this is kind of what I'm going for on the shelf that'll be above. And I really want to highlight like really aesthetically pleasing beauty products. Like I want to like display it as decor. I took this picture of what my bathroom looks like right now, and basically I just used PicMonkey to try and cover this up, and it looks really bad, but it's just kind of giving me an idea of what the shelves will look like. I'm gonna do, I think, a little basket on top of my toilet. Okay, so right now I'm going to take down my nail polish rack and like everything on the walls. I'm gonna patch them and then repaint. Oh gosh. You guys, the walls have yellow stuff all over them from all like the water. Ew. I don't know if you guys can see this. Oh yes, you for sure can. Okay, how gross is that? So I'm gonna go get some Fantastic and hopefully that'll come off. Oh yeah, it came off, we're good. So far so good. Oh my gosh. It is literally stuck to the wall. That just ripped some paint off. Shoot. So in addition to the holes that we have to patch, I'm gonna fix that as well. I just have to patch these holes and then it's gonna look totally different. Okay, I can't find my pliers and I'm really attempting to do this with nail clippers, but I think it might work. Persistence, let's go. Yes. Woo! It worked! I just successfully took all of those little things out with these cuticle cutters. So I just got some paper towel and some blue tape, and I'm just gonna tape the towel to the wall and then to my toilet, so once I start sanding, it doesn't get everywhere. I got this spackle and I'm just gonna basically cover the holes with this, and then I'll take the sandpaper just to make it all smooth. Now I'm just taking this sandpaper and I'm just gonna buff out all the extra spackle. I'm gonna show you guys the shelf that I ended up getting. I ordered this one from Amazon and it's actually perfect. And it was a good price point. I really like this shelf because one, the sizing was good, and two, the coloring matched the rest of my cabinets, and I definitely wanted to match just to tie it in. They already have the pre-drilled holes with the little, I'm not sure what these are called, like brackets? I don't know. But yeah, so I got 2 of them and everything will be linked down below. Good morning, guys. So we're getting the paint out of the shed and hopefully it's not gross. No. I'm gonna just start by shaking this.
Yeah.
Hopefully it's not moldy.
How moldy is it? I think it's
that's what he said.
He said lumpy. Didn't he say lumpy?
No, he said it'll smell like moldy if it's bad.
Okay.
And then you can't use it. Smell test?
Go ahead, you smell.
It smells fine.
It smells like paint?
Yeah.
It smells like paint to me.
All right, you guys, I'm painting the little touch-up spots. Before we actually put up the shelves, we kind of need to know an idea of what's going to be on them so we can know for the spacing, because I'm thinking of putting like a picture, something right here, so it couldn't go above the mirror, and then That looks good on the bottom one.
You like about that one? So is the bottom of the shelf even with the bottom of the mirror?
No, it's a little bit higher.
A little higher, maybe.
I took this out of my bedroom and I'm thinking of putting it on the top shelf. So we're gonna try and like measure out where the shelf should go if this is only gonna be on the top. This is a little trick you can do to see if you like where the placement is. So yeah, that'll look good. Hey guys, so I just put on some real clothes because I'm gonna go to the store and get some things for decorating the shelf, like a little plant. And I wanted to show you the shower curtain that I ended up getting from Target. I'm gonna lay it out so it can get unwrinkled, and I think it'll look really good, super nice. It's like a really nice material. It's kind of linen-y. That's the cute bottom. I like it because it's very like minimal, but it's sort of like boho almost. Like really nice packaging, perfect for styling, but also great to use. On to the candle. We just found this amazing one. It's super cute and it smells amazing. It smells like the beach. Check out these towels we just found at Walmart. Perfect. They look like Anthra, but they're $8. Okay guys, so I'm gonna just do a little haul for you. I just went to TJ Maxx and Home Goods and got some things for the shelf. I got this amazing plant and I really love it. It's white, has a wood bottom. This was $12.99 and I think it's just really good greenery to have on the shelf. I'm gonna put this on the bottom. I also got this cute little plant. I think I might actually put this one in my room, but I kind of overbought because I'm going to take back what I don't need, so I did get kind of a lot of stuff. Also, TJ Maxx really got me. These are the cutest shoes, you guys. I'm obsessed with them. They're olive green. I'm going to just give you guys a little haul, but so cute. And I got some more products that are like really pretty. Got this rose water. It's slightly light pink, really, really cute. So pretty much going for light pink aesthetic. Oh my gosh. And then you guys, I got these shoes. They were $6. They're just kind of like cute slides. So here's an overview. I know that's a lot. Some of it's going back, but I'm just not sure on the styling yet. I just picked up these bath mats from Home Goods and I'm really excited. One, because they're memory foam, and two, because they're flat. I can vacuum them. I hate when there's hair everywhere. And these were $19.99. All right, the curtain is officially in business. Planning out what's going on the shelf. It looks so good. It literally looks like how I was hoping it would. It's been a couple hours and the paint dried really well. All right, we're really going for it, guys. Really can't mess this up. This is what the brackets look like, so hopefully it's leveled. We're scared. Bye. Here we go. We got it all tight, so hopefully it's leveled and it fits. Ah, nice. That looks great. And it's so level. We did it. Okay, now the next one. I just put up the towels and they look so good. I'm literally so pumped that I found these at Walmart and they were literally only $8. Using the brown shelves really helped tie in the bathroom shelves that were already here, and it's actually great because it matches my nightstand in my room, so it kind of all ties in that light brown wood color. Oh my gosh, you guys, the craziest thing is happening to me. It's 4:30. Dakota just FaceTimed me and said that his family is going to Milan, super last minute, and he basically asked me to go. It's 4:30. I have to get on a flight tonight at 10 to go to San Diego to meet him there and then to fly to Milan in the morning. I am literally shook. So I'm packing everything up right now and I guess I'm going to Milan tomorrow. I've never been, well, I've been to Canada obviously, but I've never been out of the country like this, like ever. I'm so excited, but part of me also is like dying because like I plan everything. And so this is so like spontaneous and like spur of the moment. Here we go. I'm seriously leaving like just what I'm wearing right now. I'm literally taking no time. I'm just trying to get this vlog in because I'm gonna want to remember this trip.